Planning to explore Washington, D.C., but don't want to carry your luggage all day? Radical Storage provides a fast and secure option to store your bags while you take in the sights. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Radical Storage to deposit your luggage at a trusted location in Washington, D.C. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring your luggage is kept safe and fully insured while you roam the city. Be cautious when searching online. Stick to the official Radical Storage link in the video description to avoid phishing sites. To book your luggage storage in Washington, D.C., head to the Radical Storage website, type Washington, D.C. into the search bar, and browse the available storage points across the city. Whether you're near major landmarks, metro stations, or downtown, you'll find a convenient location. After selecting your preferred storage point, choose the times that suit you for drop-off and pick-up, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book without worry. Once confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to the luggage storage point. When you arrive at the location, simply show your reference number to the staff, and they will safely store your belongings. That's all it takes. You can now enjoy Washington, D.C. luggage-free, confident that your items are securely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.